Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I have a couple of apples that are gone bad. I cut out bad parts and I peeled them. I'm gonna make some apple pancakes for brunch. I'm just gonna use one egg. A little bit of sugar, maybe a tablespoon of sugar. Pinch of cinnamon. A splash of vanilla. Maybe half a cup of flour. That's a quarter. That's a half. And to sweeten this a little more and to use up my raspberry jam, I'm gonna put a tablespoon of this jam, or any kind of jam would be good. Or I could leave that out altogether. I'm going to put a little bit of cream. The goal is to make this into a consistency of pancake batter. If you want it to puff up, you probably want to put in some baking soda and baking powder, but I'm not going to do that. That's a lot of apples. I'm gonna fry them in avocado oil. I'm gonna test the oil just with a little piece. And once that starts bubbling around it, I will load them. Now that it's starting to bubble, I'm just gonna make like a tablespoon size little rounds. And I'm going to turn the heat down to medium-high. I don't want them to burn before they cook inside. I probably should turn the heat down just a hair. Make sure that it's cooked inside, and it is. I'm ready to serve this. Put some powdered sugar in it. Looks delicious. See you next time.